Good morning, students. Once again we are here for discussing about the remaining part of geography unit first, Indian position and the extension. So this chapter is about the memory based chapter. So that's why students, please keep remember the all things accurately. See here, today we taking the points like extent and the frontiers of India, the extension and the borders, land border may be there, otherwise sea border may be there. So frontiers of the India. So the total area is about, the total area of the India is about 32,87,263 square kilometers. The total area, geographical area of the India. Then it is about east to west, it is about 2,933 kilometers. And from north to south, it has the length of 3,214 kilometers. So next about the latitudinal and a longitudinal extension. So see here, from the latitude 6 degree 45 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes up to the length is there about the latitudinal extension. Then about longitudinal extension. From the longitude 68 degree 7 minutes to 97 degree 25 minutes. So that is the longitudinal extension. And one latitude and one longitude passing through the middle of the India. So one of the latitude, which one is a 23 degree half minute, that is passing through the middle of the India. It is known as the Tropic of Cancer also. Another one, which one, longitude, which is passing through the middle of the India, that is 82 half east longitude. 82 half east longitude and 23 half degree latitude, which latitude and longitude passing through the middle of the India. So this is about the latitude and longitudinal extension. Next, see here, the Indira Col is in the northern point. Indira Col is the northern tip of the India and Indira Point is the southern tip of the India. So it is in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So which are the neighboring countries of the India? Let's see here. Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. These are the neighboring countries of India. So here, so what about the land border and what about the sea border? So the length of the land border is about 15,200 kilometers. 15,200 kilometers the land border is there, and the sea border is about 6,100 kilometers is the sea border. So this is all about the remaining part of Indian position and the extension. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.